What's up guys, it's the Cubing Jedi and today is the start of the vlog for Nishinomiya 2019. So this comp will be on Saturday. Thanks Mom. And right now it is Tuesday. Thanks Mom again. And yeah, I'm very excited. So this comp has 2x2 through 7x7 and my goals are just to get PBs and most of my cubes. So after the great experience I had at Worlds, this comp I'm just gonna have fun and try like experiment with different sitting techniques and standing techniques and like mindsets, and hopefully they can do well. Let's go. What's up guys? So it's 2 days before the comp. Right now I'm going to go meet some of my Japanese friends. We're gonna go to this place that has a bunch of activities and stuff, and then we're gonna eat dinner, and it's gonna be really fun. So now we're just gonna catch like some trains. Sorry, the truck was being pretty loud, but we're gonna catch some trains and then meet them there. Super excited to see you there. guys? It's the thecubingjedi again, and today we're going to go see a couple tribox people, and yeah, let's go. Guys, I just woke up and I ate breakfast and it's comp day. Got my polo shirt on, my Hiroto Inaba. Very excited for this comp because it has 2x2 through 7x7. My goals are to get a couple PBs and yeah, let's go.
What's up, guys? So we just did a bunch of events. 3x3 was okay, 4x4 was really good, and 2x2 was bad. I mean, 4x4 wasn't really good, it was good. And then, yeah, next event is 5x5. Right now we're eating lunch.
Bro, you're gonna have to cut so much.
I know, right? Yeah, right now we're racing 5x5. And yeah. Alright, what's up guys? So sorry I didn't vlog for a while, I just had so many different events. Okay, bye. What's up guys? So just did awards and everything, and so overall this was a very fun comp. Stairs. So I'm very satisfied with my 5x5 single and my 4x4 average. I got 2 sub 50 singles this comp and I'm super happy with that. And now we're just gonna go eat and I'll do my final closure later. Alright, what's up guys? So it's
time for my overall summary of the competition. Sorry, my hair is a little bit floppy, but because I just woke up. But yeah, so overall, this was a very nice comp. I met pretty much all my goals to get PBs. I got like 4 PBs, not 2 PBs, and that was really nice in multiple cubes. And then my only goal that I didn't fulfill was to get sub 7. I really wanted to get sub 7 in front of the tribox people, so that's kind of a bummer, but we'll get it next time. And yeah, it was really fun meeting all the Japanese people that I saw at Japan Open. And I'm really happy with my 5x5 single and 4x4 average. 5x5 single is pretty insane. Like my old single was 51, and then at Worlds it went down to 50, and now it's 46. So pretty nice. And so everybody, I recommend you getting the Volk 5 because if you see my drastic average and single jump, that was with the Volk 5. That was just when I got the Volk 5, so you should get it. And you should go get the Volk 5 at tribox.store. Alright, and also I really like Japan comp because everybody's so nice and the comp is so organized. Like it's always on time. Like it was 30 minutes ahead on before 3x3 finals. That's why we did head to head, and that was really fun. And yeah, shout out to the JRCA to putting all these comps together. And also thank you to my sponsor tribox because you guys are the best on giving me all the new hardware and helping me improve and supporting me in my cubing journey. And this is the Cubing Jedi. Until we meet again. Bye!